Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBI Clerk 2022. And you can join with me and make your timetable. And also, I am providing small tips and tricks and shortcuts for each subject. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra. And I will provide that link in description. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video, and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And in every Sunday I planned a weekly revision, and in our preparation revision is necessary, so I planned a weekly revision. And this revision should be like reattempt wrong and skipped questions from last week mock test and quizzes, and also revise brief notes of our weak areas. So as usual, daily in morning revise all basics of each subject, and don't forget to revise basics of any subject, and revise English quizzes. And daily in morning we attempted English quizzes from Adda 247, so revise all that once tomorrow. And from that quizzes, note down all our mistakes and skipped questions. And after that, from editorial videos, we noted down all vocabulary words, phrasal verbs, rules. So revise all that once for 1 hour, and learn all those vocabulary words, rules for English section. And after that, revise all prelims mock test attempted in this week, and from that mock test identify your weak areas and prepare your timetable according to your weak areas and from mistakes. So revise all prelims mock test. And for mock test, I am suggesting who are beginners, they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing, they can purchase Oliboard or Smartkida, and they are very helpful for all our prelims and mains examinations. So choose the best as per your convenience. And in afternoon I planned for mains preparation, and who are preparing for mains, they all revise attempted quizzes and mock test, and also your weak areas, and revise your practiced PDFs, and revise mains mock test attempted yesterday, and also its weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking, and learn from your weak areas and make your timetable. And for mains mock test, my suggestion is Oliboard and Smartkid are the best, so choose the best as per your convenience. And who are beginners, they all revise PDFs and quizzes attempted in last week, and if missed any topic, revise all that once, and note down all your weak areas and wrong and skipped questions. So revise all that once, and note down your weak areas and mistakes, and make your timetable according to your weak areas and learn from your mistakes. And if anyone have doubts about this weekly revision, PDFs, quizzes, you can ask in my Telegram group. And in my Telegram group, I will share every topics, video links, PDFs and quizzes, and also I will share screenshots of my attempted quizzes on daily basis. So join my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs at least 1 hour. So read daily current affairs from the sources of Adda 247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, before going to sleep, revise last week current affairs, that is May 29th to June 3rd week current affairs from one of your source. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. Be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being with me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you.